Alright everybody, we are in Virginia City. We've never been here before. So we're going to take a drive through and I heard they have some casinos here. Look at us. Alright, let's take a walk over here so we don't get hit with anything. You can barely see it. This is the shooting gallery. For a good time, open this door.
For $1.
For $1. So we saw this store here and she's gonna pick up. Hey, that's you. You have to, that's what you're getting. So they said the bathroom here is a surprise. That's pretty funny. Good deal. There's one restroom I saw where you go up to the stall and there's like a lady standing there and looking down and laughing. Like pointing down. Yeah. Yeah. Gross. Gross. Here. Fudge. Alright everybody, we're gonna walk into Mark Twain Casino in Virginia City. As you can see, Virginia City. We're gonna check out Mark Twain. Mark Twain Saloon and Casino. It's very small, but there's the bar area. Cool. Small. A lot of new games. It's very warm in here. I think it's because the That's about it.
Wow, this is nice.
Bad, huh?
Do you have to get across all the way?
I don't remember.
Buffalo Dash and Cash. I think we need to get across.
Dash for cash symbols.
Oh, it must appear on 2, 3, 4. So yeah, you do need to get it.
Across? How are you? Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Which one? You want to play it later? Later. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Is that it?
Yeah. Let's continue to walk down. Restaurant and saloon.
Oh, okay.
Like
Maybe this one.
fish and chips. Elk burger. We're eating at the Palace. We got a big menu here. Okay, here we go. The Palace. Hello. 2, please. Go ahead, love. Thank you. Get the award-winning chili. Our breath is gonna smell good later. I thought we were on a diet getting salad, right? But look at this. Look at, look at how big that is. Oh, sheesh.
Yeah.
Here we go, everybody. We're gonna walk into the Delta Saloon Casino. Word on the street is that the old owner had to sell it because he was shady.
Oh.
And so it just recently opened up to another owner. A new owner from Sparks. Here we go.
Why was it shady?
See the suicide table. The old owner was shady, I'm not sure. So we'll see. Wait, so they had a bunch of games here. It's your Dragon Link. Man, the casino wizard here has a bunch of different games. Blackjack, Baccarat, craps, roulette, Big Six, Pai Gow, triple card poker.
I want to play 50 cents. Look.
Okay.
I want to.
Look at how many games the casino wizard has.
Wow.
A lot, huh? Oh man, they got all the new games here. There's your bar. And they got Phoenix Link here. Let's see what's on this side. The Delta Saloon. The casino wizard on both sides. We have a lot of new games here. It's over here, just games, all games.
That's it.
Hey, that's it.
Take a look at this.
What's a suicide table?
Maybe it's like it's been used, believe it or not.
Wow, those dollars? $1901, 1884. Those.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was like the monster museum.
Boom. Let's try. Let's try the other side. Boom. He's playing cornhole. Boom.
Cool.
Some what? Where? Some craps? Where? Huh? Oh. How far can you get it down without making it go off?
Too hard.
Yep. Remember we played this in Seattle?
Yeah. Still.
There it is. Oh! Boom. Too hard, huh?
Not hard enough.
Sheesh, it's hard. All right.
I got one too, like you did.
Are you gonna play? You don't have 20?
I don't want to put it on $100. I'm gonna chase this 50 cents.
Okay. Here you go. I'm gonna go over here.
Are you gonna take a video of this?
Okay. Here she goes.
50 cents. We're gonna put in $20 and let's see if we can catch that.
All right.
Stingy. I guess not. If we'd catch it, we'd catch it by now. Go to 10. It keeps showing up though. $1. 10.
Hey. I hope you get the minor or jackpot. Holy cow, he won it too, huh?
Yeah, I know. Oh, come on. Drop. Oh,
That's
no.
it? Save it. Oh, save.
Save by 1. Save it.
We want a minor over there.
Whoa, really? That's nice. That's it.
Ooh, got it. Wow. Good job. You won
I
$9.
won half of my money, 50%.
Hey, look at that.
All right, I give you $9.
Super Big 6. Can we try that? Let's try the Super Big 6. All right. I want to see the Super Big 6. Here we go. Wow, look at that wheel. See that wheel?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put $1 on. What's this?
Casino or wizard? That's what that
Oh. There. How much is that? $4?
is. Mm-hmm.
Let's do that.
Go.
$6. Ready?
Let's do it.
Spin. 10.
Hey.
Shit, $45. Cash out.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. You kidding? 10. I've never played the big 6 on this before. There you go. Now we
There you
made
go.
$20 to $25.
All right, cash out. Let's go.
Yeah, let's cash out.
So-
Bucket of Blood Saloon.
Lively. They have a dance.
Okay, Mark Twain. Mark Twain Museum. Look at this thing.
Wow.
Airbag? Oh, the airbags? Oh.
Bucket.
Building across the street.
Ah.
That's when we were walking, we didn't even notice it. There's that church. Train station here. Oh shit, look at that. Can't tell if that's a replica or real. What's a replica? I can't tell. It looks like a Porsche Speedster. The one that's worth over
Do
like...
you want coffee?
Yeah, I do actually. You think they're still open?
I'm not sure. That's the next question.
It looks like it's closed.
But yeah, no, we check this place out. Come early. Because it closes pretty early during the winter time.
It looks like everything's closed.
Yeah.
Well,
Six.
you look like you need a 20 ounce